Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by identifying how the shield attaches. This determines technique and prevents damage. Once you locate screws, snaps, or molded clips, position the glasses on a towel to stabilize them. Use magnification and strong light so you can see tiny parts clearly. Make sure to choose the smallest screwdriver that fits snugly to avoid stripping. If the shield is snapped on, prepare a flat tool to pry gently. If it's molded, plan for controlled bending to avoid cracking the frame. You now perform the removal based on attachment type. For screws, loosen in small increments and set screws aside in a labeled container. Don't force them out suddenly. For snaps, support the opposite side of the shield and depress both snap tabs evenly so the shield releases without warping. For molded shields, apply gentle outward flex while watching for stress lines and stop if the plastic resists. Once the shield is free, lift it straight away from the frame to clear retaining grooves. You finish by cleaning the frame and shield contact points with isopropyl alcohol so reattachment is smooth. Keep screws or snaps together in a sealed bag. If a shield won't budge, apply a tiny drop of penetrating oil to the joint, wait 5 to 10 minutes, then try again. Avoid excessive force which causes cracking. Make sure lenses and frame remain aligned after removal. If you see cracks or warping, replace the part rather than reusing compromised equipment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.